Okay, well, it's Numistacker here, and although I haven't got any new pickups or coins to show you today, so it's a little bit of a lull on the channel. Rest assured, I haven't stopped, I haven't gone anywhere, and over the next 2 or 3 weeks, there'll be plenty to show you coming up to Christmas. There's plenty of things that have been delivered over to America where I'll be at Christmas time, so have no fear. There'll be plenty of action on the Numistacker channel over the next few weeks. So in the meantime, I thought I'd have a talk today about, well, investors. Should investors in coins buy collector coins? So by investors, I don't mean kind of pure precious metal investors, but people who make investment decisions to buy coins not just because they like them, but because they want to protect their value of their assets, or make a small amount of profit, or trade in coins. Should those kind of investors buy collector coins? And what do I mean by collector coins? Well, collector coins are coins that are produced, mostly proof edition coins, but can be other things, by national mints. Could be even non-fiat coins produced by small or large sponsors or mints, but coins that are produced for collectors at a certain, usually pretty high price. And under what circumstances should investors buy those collector coins? I have a feeling that there'll be quite a few comments on this subject, because it's actually very difficult to know when collectors' coins should be investments, and whether they're going to be dogs in the future, whether it's better to pick them up in the new market, the secondary market, or in fact not at all. Are they subject to fashion? And if so, how long does that fashion last? And when is the best time to get out of them again? And really, what your strategic view is about buying and adding these kind of coins to your portfolio or to your collection. So, the things that I've got in my mind, which I'll let you guys into, the Royal Mint, for example. The new series of Queen's Beasts coins have come out at the Royal Mint. I believe that the Royal Mint have gone way over the top in terms of what is acceptable, or what the market might stand for these coins. The bullion coin turned out to be very popular. Partly it was popular because of the small series nature of it. Partly it was popular because it was executed quite nicely, and everyone likes beasts, lions, whatever, griffins. Everybody likes that kind of content, so it was kind of popular. But those were bullion coins, and they were put out at a bullion price. Particularly if you're in America, you had the opportunity of buying those coins at a pretty low margin to spot. So this Christmas, the Royal Mint have come out with a whole range of proof coins. Now, there are 1 ounce silver proofs, and there are over 8,000 of those that have been minted, which is extremely high for a Royal Mint proof series. Even things like quarter ounce proofs in gold, there's over 2,000 of those. So the mintages are actually very, very high, and the prices are also very high. So we've seen a little bit of an upswing when bullion shot up, a bit of an upswing in the price for Royal Mint collector coins. And of course, now the price of precious metals has recovered a little bit and gone down. We haven't seen a downward movement yet in the Royal Mint collectibles pricing, so that the quarter ounce is actually now priced way out of sync with anything that spot might be, and the mintages are up. So, is that a coin that should be bought for the future? This is the question. Is it something that should be bought for the future? Is there any possibility at all that a collector buying it at the Royal Mint price will actually ever make money on it? My personal view is I haven't bought any of those coins. I think that one has to be incredibly careful buying at full retail from the Royal Mint, and you have to be very, very careful that you've chosen very wisely, and that the coins you buy are going to be the coins that are desired by collectors going forward. So if you look at the coins that I have bought that are collectibles, even though I'm both a collector and an investor, the coins that I have bought are the Sovereign 2017, which there is a history of special edition sovereigns holding their value over the Royal Mint introductory price. And I bought the Britannia, and I bought the Britannia not because Britannias necessarily hold their value and will be a major profit opportunity, but I bought the Britannia because I thought the mintages for the premium set and for the half ounce and tenth of an ounce were ridiculously low, and therefore there would be quite a high rarity value in this over time if more collectors start collecting Britannias. And I kind of believe that sometimes it's better to go anti-cyclical when it comes to some of these things. So the time you want to buy as an investor is the time that the collectors don't want to buy, and vice versa. When everyone wants to buy and the price goes up, then you as an investor will maybe think about selling some or all. So there you have it, just some thoughts about the collector's market, and I'm sure you'll have examples for the US Mint, for example, the Centennial Gold, massive mintages. Is anyone ever going to make money on those Centennial Gold pieces? Are they just a curiosity for people to have in a collection? Should an investor invest in those coins? Give me your examples from the mints that you know very well. Pandas, for example. They have proof collectors pandas as well. Is anyone ever going to make any money on those? Is it better to always buy from the lowest percentage over spot and watch the premium like a hawk? And I kind of think that's really where I'm at, unless there's something I think really has a history of potentially doing well. That said, I am a very, very big advocate of low mintage non-fiat coins at the moment. You can see from my channel what I've been buying. I think we're going through a golden era of low mintage special non-fiat coins. They have a great deal of interest for people in an era when the average silver panda is 10 million coins. Now, those will never be rare coins ever, and they will only ever be worth a little bit over spot. I don't believe they're going to go up in price the same as some of the pre-2010 pandas. So when you have a choice now between a 10 million panda edition and a special 2-ounce silver edition with maybe 200 or 300 coins, I know where I would prefer to invest. And given how quickly these sell out, I think other people are with me on that, even though it doesn't take too many buyers to actually sell out a pre-order for some of these non-fiat coins. So there you have it. That's my thoughts. You have to cope with the fact that I haven't got anything new to show you over the next few days, and hopefully sometime between now and Christmas there'll be a flood of new things to show you, and maybe some exciting news from NGC when the grading comes back. So wish you all a very happy Christmas, New Year, holiday season, and speak to you guys soon.